If you are a seller on Etsy, you know how important it is to have a private policy that outlines how you collect, use, and protect your customers' personal information. A private policy not only helps you comply with legal requirements, but also builds trust with your customers and shows that you value their privacy. Welcome back, everyone. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. My name is Nancy Badillo, founder of the Etsy Mastery course, and I'm thrilled to have you join my community of Etsy sellers. In this video, I will guide you step by step through the process of creating a privacy policy for your Etsy shop. So whether you are a new seller or an experienced one, you will find the information in this video helpful in creating a comprehensive and clear private policy for your customers in less than 2 minutes. And I'm also going to show you how to install your private policy in your Etsy shop. So let's get started. Why you need a privacy policy for your Etsy shop. Having a privacy policy is essential for any online business, including Etsy shops, as it helps to protect the privacy of your customers and establish trust between you and your buyers. Here are a few reasons why having a privacy policy for your Etsy shop is important. 1, legal compliance. Depending on where you and your customers are located, you may be required by law to have a privacy policy that outlines how you collect, use, and protect personal information. Having a privacy policy can help you comply with applicable laws and regulations and avoid potential legal issues. Number 2, transparency. A private policy is a way to be transparent with your customers about how you handle their personal information. This can help to build trust with your buyers, who are more likely to do business with a seller who's open and honest about their data practices. Number 3 is customer expectations. In today's digital age, customers are becoming increasingly concerned about their privacy and want to know how their personal information is being used. By having a private policy, you can meet their expectations and provide them with the information they need to make informed decisions about sharing their personal data. So overall, having a private policy is not only a legal requirement in many cases, but it's also an important way to establish trust with your customers and demonstrate your commitment to protecting their privacy. How to create a private policy using the Alura tool. I'm going to show you how to generate a comprehensive and clear privacy policy for your Etsy shop in less than 2 minutes using the Alura tool for Etsy sellers. Now, Alura is a user-friendly and intuitive tool that makes it easy for you to create a private policy that meets the legal requirements and best practices for protecting your customers' personal information. So with Alura, you don't need to be a legal expert or spend hours researching private laws and regulations. Now, if you're not part of the Alura tool or you don't currently use it, I'm going to leave my referral link in the description box below so you could try them out for free. So now let's head over to Alura to create the private policy. All right, so the first thing you want to do is log in to Alura. If you don't have an account with them, I will leave in the text box below my referral link so you could try them out for free. Once you have created your account and you're logged in, all you want to do is scroll all the way down where it says resources, click there, and then click on policy generator. This is automatically going to open this new window here. Go ahead and fill this information out. It's going to ask you, what is your Etsy shop name? What is your shop URL? What emails can users reach you? Make sure that you have a domain email. You never want to use like a Gmail or a regular email that people could hack. It's going to ask you, are you an individual or a business? If you don't know what this means, just hover on top. So if you are a corporation or limited liability company like me, LLC, go ahead and click on business or any of these. It's going to ask you for the name of your business. What is the address? If you currently have your Etsy store connected to Google Analytics, go ahead and disable this. It's going to ask you what other third-party tools, services, companies do you share customer data with? So for me is ConvertKit because that's my email provider. So I will put here ConvertKit and I'll put an email provider. If you have multiple tools that you're using, they do share people's information, you need to go ahead and click on the plus sign and add those additional tools. It also asks you, do you use remarketing services for marketing and advertising purposes? So do you take this information and do like a Facebook ad and do remarketing ads? If you're currently using that, you need to go ahead and toggle this to yes. And then do you sell to customers in the EU? If you do, go ahead and toggle this to yes. After you have done all of this, you have accepted the terms and conditions, go ahead and click on Create My Policy. Once you put all of the information, automatically your privacy policy is created. All you need to do is either copy to clipboard or add to Etsy. I'm going to show you how to add it manually on Etsy. So therefore, in the future, if you need to make any additional changes, you will be able to locate it and know where to go. How to add a privacy policy to Etsy. So now that we have created the private policy using Alura, it's time to add it to your Etsy shop. So let me show you how it works. The next step is heading over to your Etsy store, and on the left hand corner, you're going to click on Edit Shop. And from there, it's going to open it and it's going to look like this. Now you're able to edit all of these different windows. You're going to scroll all the way in the bottom and you're going to go down here where it says Edit Policies. From there, you're going to go to Privacy. And from here, you're going to, if you don't have it in here already, you're going to go ahead and edit to add the information. If you already have it, but you want to update it, go ahead and update it. But all you're going to do is paste it in here. Once you have it in here, you're going to go ahead and click on Publish. And that's it. We have gone through the entire process of creating and adding a privacy policy to your Etsy shop. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found it helpful in creating and adding a privacy policy for your very own Etsy shop. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful Etsy tips and tutorials.